Hello everyone, welcome back. This is about the Protista kingdom. Protista was Greek word which means that first of all, it was proposed by the Ernst Haeckel, includes all unicellular and colonial prokaryotic organisms and also eukaryotic according to the Ernst Haeckel, but it was wrong proved by the R.H. Whitaker where he placed the unicellular as well as the eukaryotic organism because it shows connecting link with the Monera, fungi, plantae and also animalia. So boundaries of this were not well defined and limits are also not well defined. For some scientists, these are considered as a photosynthetic protista, but for some others, they may be plant. So general characters, it includes primarily aquatic, unicellular, eukaryotic, well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast and also vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, all are very well developed. Some have flagella and cilium, that too 9 plus 2 arrangement will be seen. That means tuberous formation also will be seen. Very well developed flagella for locomotion they will be having. Reproduce asexually and sexually by a process of involving cell fusion or zygote formation. So that's all about the Protista introduction. Let's move on to the Protista classification. Among that, first one is the dinoflagellates. And it is a Greek word. Dino means it is a whirling or flagellate flagella. They also include the pyrophyta. Pyro matlab fire algae or spinning flagellates also we can call. They mostly live in the seawater, marine. Planktons, they move passively with the water currents. Nectons means which are moving actively, but here we are talking about the planktons which are moving passively. They appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red color, depends on the type of the pigment what they are containing. Plastids are generally chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin they contain. The cell wall has a stiff cellulose plates on the outer surface. The rigid coat covering the cell is a theca or lorica. Articulated also we can call having joints and sculptured. Matlab, the pieces together make a one sculpture, one design. So it look like a armor. That means the Iron Man what he wears, no suit. That suit type it will be very so sculptured, and so we call as an armored dinoflagellates. Two parts will be sulcus and cingulum also. Longitudinal groove is called it as an sulcus and circular groove is called it as an cingulum. Two grooves, two flagella. One is longitudinal flagella, one is circular flagella. So in the next classes we will be talking more about the dinoflagellates. Thank you for watching.